Are you struggling with cavities, bad breath, or bleeding gums? No matter how much you brush and floss, you're not alone. Millions of people face these dental issues daily, and the surprising truth is, it's not always your fault. Studies show that harmful bacteria in your mouth can hide deep inside your gums and teeth, causing bad breath, tooth decay, and gum disease. Traditional toothpaste and mouthwash often mask the problem, but don't fix it, and left untreated, these bacteria can lead to painful infections, tooth loss, and even health risks beyond your mouth. Imagine sitting with friends, but you're too scared to talk close because of bad breath. Or waking up with sore, bleeding gums every morning. It's embarrassing and frustrating. I know, because so many people silently deal with this every single day. But here's the good news. There's a natural solution that's changing lives. It's called Provadent, a powerful formula made with plant-based ingredients that target the root cause of oral problems. Provadent doesn't just cover up bad breath, it works from the inside out, helping to restore gum health, fight harmful bacteria, and keep your teeth strong and fresh all day long. Just think about it. Bad breath and gum disease can be signs of an unhealthy mouth, which can affect your confidence and even your health. Cavities and tooth decay can lead to painful procedures like fillings and crowns. But with Provadent, you can protect your smile and prevent these issues from happening in the first place. With Provadent, you can enjoy fresh, clean breath that lasts for hours. Say goodbye to the embarrassment of bad breath with Provadent's powerful formula. You can feel confident knowing that you'll stay fresh all day long. Provadent helps stronger gums with less bleeding and sensitivity. Floss and brush away with Provadent. Its unique blend of plant-based ingredients helps heal and strengthen your gums, reduce bleeding and sensitivity, and protect against gum disease. Cavities and decay will be a thing of the past. Keep your teeth healthy and worry-free with Provadent. Its cavity protection helps prevent tooth decay and keeps your smile looking its best. Percento natural, safe and easy to use daily. Unlike harsh chemicals and artificial ingredients found in many oral care products, Provadent is gentle on your mouth while effectively targeting the root causes of bad breath, gum disease, and cavities. Thousands of people have already tried Provadent and are finally smiling with confidence again. Just imagine enjoying meals, conversations, and kisses without worrying about bad breath or dental pain. That's the power of Provadent. If you're ready to take control of your dental health and finally fix the root of the problem, check out the link in the description right now. Don't wait until it's too late. Your confidence and health are worth it. Click below to try Provadent today and see the difference for yourself. You deserve to have a healthy mouth and a confident smile. So why wait? Take action now and start your journey towards a better oral care routine with Provadent. Your mouth deserves better care. And Provadent can give it to you. Click the link below and start your journey to a healthier, fresher smile today.